welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be like a come shop with me / what's new in Homesense video. I haven't been to Homesense for a little while, so I thought I'd take you with us today and see what's new in. I'm sure they've got loads of Easter bits in, lots for spring, so yeah, I'll show you what is in there. Let's go. Right, so we're ready to go. Orlando's first trip to Homesense. Oh yeah, first of many, little one. The first of many. Renzo's off to Nanny's. He's all fed now.
Me and the baby.
Look at him sleeping. So we just went for a little feed stop and I'm waiting for Mark now. He's just gone to the toilet. Orlando in there with me. So cute. It's really nice having them in the carrier. It's so much easier. Right guys, so as you come in, they've got loads of Easter stuff and spring stuff. Look at that. This is cute for the summer in the garden.
So you would swing in there?
How much is it? £249. I like the cushion. Hashtag on holiday. These are cute as well. I need to get some bits for the house actually for Easter.
It's having a bigger thing now, isn't it?
Yeah. I'd like to get some of these like wreaths. These are cute. Cute bunnies. I like these bunnies here. He's sweet. How much is that? £14.99. Let's look at the flowers because they always have a nice flower selection in here. These are really pretty, like spring flowers now. I like these.
Orchids.
An orchid, yeah, I actually do really want like a nice big orchid. Oh, I don't know what one I want. We should get some of these for the house, babe. I'll tell you something, what happened. We bought one of these before, like an artificial planter for outside the house. And Mark told his dad that it was real flowers and he believed it for, well, until we got rid of it. He still believes it. Every like year, even like in the winter, he's like, God, those flowers look good.
Pink or purple?
I don't know, I really like the orange actually because I just like,
isn't it?
it's not Halloween, or the white ones.
Yeah, white match
White's
house,
nice.
isn't
They're hydrangeas, look.
it?
Yeah, they look like hydrangeas, they're pretty.
30 quid.
Oh no, 30 quid, 28.99. I like that orchid over there in the basket, look. It's quite cute. Spring cushions. I always like these are all a bit wintry, aren't they now? This is nice. Spring colour. I like this cushion.
Cute, isn't it?
This is nice because it's like a bit springy, summery.
Springy.
It's like Moroccan-y vibes. Loads of cushions. Look at all these colours. With spring. Oh, I like this plant. This is like a big version of the one we've got in Orlando's room, isn't it?
I don't think what's in there now.
He's got that little one like on his. I like that table. The garden.
Nice,
That's really nice.
get our way out now, don't we?
I know, I like this one though.
Really nice
That is so nice. This is £59.99, this one. It is pretty though.
We should definitely get a hanging basket today.
We will get a hanging basket, yeah. I like these little trees outside the house. I don't like that they're two different sizes though.
No.
I like matching. Nice, lots of nice like garden furniture, like cute bits,
All
isn't
in
it?
now, aren't they? Definitely.
This is nice. I love the colour of this one, babe.
What would you
It's
say
like
that colour is?
it's like a minky peach colour, isn't it? A bird bath.
Nice.
I want one, yeah. How much is it? I reckon 80 quid. 70. Pretty close. I like this. They're outside the house.
It's very like understated.
Do you like these? I want like some of these like vases with this pattern.
Green vase, isn't it?
I like that. I don't like that actual vase. That's not very cute, is it? I think I
Vase.
prefer that, but I don't like the dark base. Oh, they've got like clear bases there. Quite pretty, but I don't really like the lampshade, do you?
No, it's done a match, doesn't it?
It doesn't look like it matches, no, it looks like
Probably
just
blue,
plonked
yeah.
it. Just plonked it on, isn't there? It's a bit sparse in here today. Oh, yeah, there's not really much here. They're having a bit of a rejig, I think. These are all their prints, look. Loads of different prints in here today. That is nice. Tell you what, that is nice for our dining room. If you did the wall navy, had that there where the mirror is, that would look really smart, wouldn't it?
They look like trees, don't they? Some like snowy trees.
Snowy trees. Hand painted as well. It's really nice. This is nice too. Like gold.
You like gold, don't you?
I love gold. I love a vase too.
A vase.
A vase.
Yeah,
I want to get one of these and fill it up with lemons for like a spring centerpiece. Huh? What do you reckon to that? Or do we go for like a little one of these? This is cute. Orlando's being very good. Oh, I like this section. It's all like the white section. This is cute. This is my vibe. This is very much like the one I've got at home, isn't it? That we got from the charity shop.
Yeah.
But it's like that different blue. If anyone wants one. Oh, we should get some of these actually for Mother's Day. Because I want to put some like gifts in there for our mums. That's cute, isn't it? We'll get that in a minute. We've got a long list of things I want to get. Why don't we bring a basket around with us? Like this console table.
Actually quite nice.
That with like a nice mirror above it. Like, you know, one of those window mirrors. Would look really nice. These are cool stools.
Barbecue set.
They're a bit low, aren't they? For a bar stool. Where would you put that? Strange. Oh, this is all like Eastery, look.
Yeah.
This is really cute. I love the colours.
Crayon colours, isn't
They're
it?
pastel colours, aren't they? Crayola.
Really good. Crayon colours.
This is a nice chair for me. This one here.
Yeah, that's nice.
I want a new chair. You know my chair, guys, that I have in the living room? I want a new one. This one is lovely. That's really cute.
Isn't it?
I can't really look at the baby. How much is it?
Try it for you.
229. Take a pew.
What?
Back.
Not as comfy as the one you got.
It's very pretty though. I like that furniture though. This is lovely. A nut. A chestnut.
I'd say Christmas pudding.
This is gorgeous. This stuff. This is the colour that I wanted our floors in our kitchen. And I never got. Oh, I just love this furniture, babe. I just love velvet everything. So many velvet chairs in here.
Wow, those lamps are unbelievable.
Wow, they're extravagant, aren't they? They're really big. Where'd you put one of them?
Outside your bed.
149 quid.
Isn't it?
They're quite cheap really for a lamp.
Oh.
Yeah, but usually the lamps downstairs, the ones that they put downstairs, are like 80 quid. And they're little. I wonder if these light up here.
No. Just reflect in there.
Oh. And these are cute little
Like
picnic
Barbie.
baskets. A picnic basket even.
That's
They're
a bit of a tongue
cute.
twister, isn't it?
It is. What else have they got? What is this? Towels. These are pretty towels for summer. These have got like a beachy vibe, haven't they? You know, like a beach house in the Hamptons. Yes. Can we go there one day? I still need a wash basket. I bought one the other day and I don't like it. Standard. The one that I bought from Pound Stretcher. It's terrible. No, it's not very nice. That's a little awkward. That's a pretty one. They've got them here, but I want one with a lid. You know? I just do. I don't know why. I just do. These are nice for toys. This would look lovely in Orlando's room, actually. How much is this? £30. Lord, that one's £30 off. This is quite nice. $29.99. I don't. Why is this like so flimsy? Like, that's annoying. Negative to the old wash basket then. Don't have any.
Like a cobra.
This is nice for plants. So that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.